Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to use dark mode apps, icons, colors and sizes on iPhone. Alright, let's begin. So Apple introduced a new way you can customize your app icons with new dark mode and tint features. Now you do need iOS 18 or later, so first check your settings, go to the General tab, tap on Software Update. You should see it say iOS 18 is up to date. Once you have iOS 18 or later, all you have to do to customize these app icons now is to tap and hold on the screen, tap Edit at the top left, and then tap Customize. You'll be brought up with a new bar at the bottom with some options. First one is Light, which is the standard mode we're used to right here. We now have a dark option here, which turns your app icons into a dark mode. So it's really cool and it aligns really well with dark mode on the iPhone. Additionally, you have an automatic option. This will do the same thing dark mode does, where it turns the app icons dark at night and in the evening and light in the daytime. You can also make these icons large, which turns them large like this, but keep in mind when you make your icons or your applications large, you'll notice that you lose the wording underneath. Lastly, we have Tinted. If you tap on Tinted, this gives you a whole other option and way to customize your app icons. And this is just using these little dials down here that are going to allow you to change the color, even the tint of those apps. So if you want it for red, you can bring it from the left all the way to the right. Additionally, you can tap on this little eyedropper here, and it's going to allow you to select colors that are inside your background. So we've got the white or creamy background here. Let's say we wanted to have this, it'll automatically change it to that light like that. Same way you can make these large, and this way you can customize how your app icons look. Keep in mind if you do choose to use the dark icon. If you notice an application that doesn't apply this dark filter, there's not much you can do with it other than adding a tint. And that way it'll have the tint at least. That's all dependent on the developer of the app and when they update it so that it does take advantage of that dark mode. This works with iPhone 16 and older that can update to at least iOS 18 or later. So that's basically how you can use dark mode apps, icons, colors, and sizes on iPhone. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.